Welcome back to our channel. I'm Wartime Update and start the video. In today's video, we are diving into a significant development in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The arrival of F-16 fighter jet in Ukraine marks a new chapter in this war. But what does it really mean for the battlefield dynamic? Let's find out. Many months after the international coalition pledged to arm Ukraine with F-16 and train its pilot, the first Western jet has arrived. Ukraine is said to receive 79 F-16 from Belgium, Denmark, Norway and the Netherlands. Those jets, although older variant, are expected to bolster Ukrainian air power, replacing its outdated Soviet-era fleet. Pro-Ukrainian military bloggers are celebrating the arrival of this fighter jet. However, skeptics, including pro-Russian bloggers, are saying that those jets might face the same fate as the Abrams tank, which were destroyed by Russian forces as soon as their deployment. Russia has warned that the F-16 would become an easy target. Russian company even announced a 15 million ruble reward for any fighter who shut down the F-16. Military experts suggest that F-16 would not be a game changer. Those jets will primarily serve in a defensive role, intercepting Russian missiles and drones, rather than engaging in direct combat. They argue that the Ukrainian pilots still in training will struggle against experienced Russian pilots. Ukraine faces a significant challenge in using F-16 effectively. Russian advanced air defense systems, including S-400 and S-500, present a significant challenge. Those systems can detect and target aircraft from great distance, making offensive operation by F-16 very risky. Additionally, Russia has demonstrated its ability to destroy Ukrainian jets on the ground, further complicate Ukrainian effort. Experts recommend that Ukraine should station F-16 in hardened shelter far away from the front line to avoid missile attacks. In summary, while the arrival of F-16 in Ukraine is a morale booster, they are unlikely to provide a decisive edge in the conflict. The jet will help bolster Ukrainian air defense system, but would not establish air superiority. The true test will be how well Ukraine can protect this valuable asset from Russian missile attacks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on Ukrainian conflict and other global military development. See you in the next video.